Welcome to Sabota Computer presents oatmeal with applesauce and cinnamon. Today we will talk about how to make oatmeal with applesauce and cinnamon. This is how we make it. Check this out. To make oatmeal with applesauce and cinnamon, we will start with a half a cup and 1 cup of water or milk. You can also add the milk later. Put into microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. Once done, take out of the microwave, add 1/4 cup of applesauce and a dash of cinnamon. The oatmeal, there is oatmeal and cinnamon. There we have oatmeal and cinnamon applesauce. So, we take the oatmeal, dump it in there, half a cup. We add the water. Pop that into the microwave. For time cook, 1 minute 30 seconds. Hit start and let it cook. We are at 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I take it out of the microwave. Like so. Add our applesauce. And we'll also add our cinnamon. And our milk. Stir that up. Let it cool for a few minutes, and then that's it. In conclusion, we have used Quaker oats, but any brand will work fine for this meal as well. If you already have a flavor in your oatmeal recipe, don't use this recipe unless it benefits you. Make sure you have a non-flavored oatmeal. You can use any brand of applesauce or cinnamon you want. If you are diabetic, you use unsweetened applesauce. That's all we have for today's video. Thank you for watching my videos and my other videos and this video, and have a great day. Bye.